Hi everyone, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. We are going to be making this adorable card here using a new stamp set that's going to be coming out. I wanted to do a fun and festive bright colored card, and this is what we're getting today. And on the inside we got a little bit more stamping. May this season be filled with peace and joy. So we're going to get started. Now this is Framed and Festive, and it is available now for demonstrators, and it comes with the Framed Florets Stamp Set and the Framed Florets die set. And so we're going to be using the die set. This is the stamp set that we're going to be using. We get our fa la la from it, and then 'tis the season to be jolly for the front, and may this season be filled with peace and joy for the inside. Now we do have a class to go, a pre-order class, so if you want to get in on this, really awesome deal. Basically you're paying for shipping, tax on that product, and you get this and a whole bunch of other stuff. So want to check that out. There'll be a link in the description for that. But we're going to get started. So I've already got my stamps on our block, so I'm going to get those out. And we're going to bring in our paper. We're going to be using polished pink and Tahitian tide, for the card base. So you're going to need your supplies. You can find that over on our blog. We got a couple extra pieces for die cutting. And so we're going to get our stamping out of the way first. So we're going to go ahead and grab May This Season Be Filled with Peace and Joy. This is the piece that's going to go on the inside. We're going to take this piece here and we're going to stamp fa la 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 all the way across the front. I'm going to get a piece of scrap paper. What we're going to do is we're just going to stamp this at an angle, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but all I did is start up at the top here. And we'll just continue to do this all the way down at an angle. And then last, we're going to do stamping on our scrap piece of white paper right here for our sentiment that goes on the front. 'Tis a season to be jolly. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this die right here. We're going to die cut this out once, and then we're going to do it again over here so that we get the frame. Okay, so now we have all of these right here. So I got that die cut out. These two pieces are together, so I am going to be using these two together, and then you can do this for a different project. So we are just going to start piecing this together. Take our bone folder, give this a good burnish. We're going to glue this piece. I'm going to open up and put our sentiment on the inside of the card. Now I'm going to take and put just a little bit of glue on the back side of this blue frame. Then I'm going to take and put this up on dimensionals, the middle piece. The last thing that we're going to do is we're just going to add some basic rhinestones to the front of the card. So there we have it. We have our quick Make It in Minutes card. You can really pound a whole bunch of these out in no time. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So please make sure you check out our blog post in regards to the class to go. You don't want to miss that. It's an awesome, awesome deal. And also please make sure, if you do like this video, to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. We have lots over there. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, make sure you are subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to subscribe in the description of this video. Thanks!